just rectify. No lie, tears cry, what you imply? We die just talk, tell it bartender send me another rascal. Sure.
Yo, my dad. Yo. I have to listen to FollowIG TV entertainment. You must be full to bumbo.
No, send me we kill you all of them. Murder.
What's good, viewers and subscribers? For your device, I know it's your boy FollowIG TV Entertainment, you know, man. I mean, I say it's been a while I haven't done a review. Me, I tell you, a piece of flu there for me, the viewers and subscribers. But you don't know me, I take time recover, see me. I mean, I say, yo, me, I got to talk about 3 artists today. You see me? First, me, I got to talk about a collab. You see, pre. I mean, I tell you, say, collab features Rytikal and Zig to the Zag. You see me? It's a new artist goes by the name Zig to the Zag, you know, man. You don't know artist part by nice and said where, you know, Rytikal, I give him a strength, I give him a one feature in our music. So you don't know, say I saw a thing set, you know, man. Each one build one. I mean, I said that song your title them no. You see me? And after you hear that song there, you hear that sound there, you know what I mean when me say them know, you know, I could have anything, them know. Don't fuck up. I mean, I say viewers and subscribers, me play a piece more song and me couldn't listen it because Rytikal, big up yourself, you know, man, to give Zig to the Zag a feature. You see, free, bad, you bad. Hundreds. Yeah, man, I Zig to the Zag that, man. I want to go over and Vivo and go give him a subscribe, make him know, say, me sending it over there. But that song here will drop with title, them know, they for Rytikal Vivo. You see, free. So, I want to know, guys, with us, make the artists them know, say, FollowIG TV Entertainment over here and do the right thing. I mean, I say, viewers and subscribers, you know, see music video. A music video have shoes more than foot. I tell you, something me don't know where them ship down from, but the shipment land. You see me? And the artist them a make you know, say, yo, them know, man. Hey, you hold on now we get to our side there, man. Believe, man. I mean, I said, viewers and subscribers, you don't know entertaining me I do, you know, man. Me not do no violence, you know. So I want to know, guys, to just go tune into the artist, Zig to the Zag. Big up yourself, you know, charge. You know the thing going on, man. I want FollowIG TV Entertainment. You see me? Yeah, man. And from here, do the right thing, yeah, go get good result. You see, free. Yeah, man. So if you want good, you know that run. I mean, like that move, yeah. And Rytikal, big up yourself again, you know, man. To give the artist a strength. Actually, you don't even know where you do for the artist. You see, free. So artists, go and stay relevant and drop some bad music video said we and go and put the pen and paper to work. You see, free. And you don't know, say we over here, now, man. Link up anytime, man. You know the thing, okay? You don't know we over here and we are do free work. You see me? A long time I not put out no review viewers and subscriber, but a whole heap of review me have on my channel, so you can go subscribe and you can go look and watch out and listen out some artists when me review, cause I'm more than catalog a thing me have on me review on me thing. So you can go subscribe and do the right thing. Me not have to post right now. Mount a thing over there you can go subscribe and watch and like and comment. You see me? But you don't know, say we there same way. And we are take time drop one and few reviews said way. So we are jumping our next review. So I want to know, guys, we just go tune into the artists them and make them know, say me sending over there. Hundreds, madam mean, you know.
One pops, we got cash. Tell Blam them
Yes, I mean I say that song a title Chat Fox and the artist goes by the name Pops YG. I mean I say yo, he must sing that this song you have to blam them, you know, man. You know why man blam them in the blam them I tell people them say, oh, Pops a buy a weird TikTok watch and be a thing. So Pops they are chat a bag of thing in song viewers are subscriber. And the man music with a seller said we be a girl in it and be a thing that go on as a young jockey. You see me? I mean I say Pops YG, big up yourself, you know, man. See if on the gravel same way, cause enough pussy want the head said way, you know, man. You see me? Cause enough pussy can't do it like how you do it right now. You see it as a young youth. No joke. So you know hide and talk, you see free. Want if you just focus. Start write some decent song, man. I not pay no man no mind. You see free. And see if they can take on the world on a different level. Remember soldier attack, you know. You see me? So right now you start off in a this. So you don't know, say, in a surprise for a couple years from now, you can start be a clash. Artists are run up and you put artists in them place. And this so you always start from, you see me? Cause you not start off a genuine, off a lifestyle. You start off a clash and bring down. You see me? So you know the thing going on, man. Go and do the right thing and go and stay focused and see if you not get piece of that cake there. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, I make on a listen piece my song and then me jump and wrap up the review down.
Just chat to me Benz and it chat to me back. From me a 7.
Well, you know, I go over and Viva to go here when he was 17, when did I do when he was 17 and beating. So first and foremost, me have to big up man like Brap as entertainment, you know, man, a man like Bankroller. You see me? That is it. I mean, I say, viewers, if you haven't subscribed to Soji TV Entertainment, you can hit the bell icon to be notified each time I drop a video. You see, free. I mean, I say, if you go over 3 artists, them when me just review, you see me? I make them know, say, me sending you over there. Go and go tell a friend to share up Soji TV Entertainment. You see me? Drop 2 likes, drop 2 comments, see me. Cause you don't know that now, take nothing out of you. You see me? Take a time out to see what Soji are going on. Listen out Soji and see. And you can tell Soji where Soji need to improve on. Cause I mean, really I get that. Some would appreciate that right now. You see, free. I mean, I say, yo, have a productive Sunday now. I mean, I say, mother, I mean, you know the thing going on, man.